Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Monica sidebar on any website or web page. So this is really useful while you're browsing the web and either have a short inquiry you'd like to look up, or perhaps you'd like the current web page you're on, for example a news article, to be quickly summarized for your digestion. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a short demo and tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and go to bbc.com just to look for a news article. So let's say, or we'd like to summarize this web page. To start using the sidebar, if you haven't noticed already, you have the option here at the right hand side of your screen. There's also the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M, which I'm going to use, and doing so will open the Monica window, the Monica sidebar rather. So here you can see it has popped up and we can quickly ask it a question. For example, there's a term here that we don't understand. We can ask it to define that, or we can also use it to summarize this page, which I find really useful. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, it sends the query, or it sends the prompt summarize this page along with the link, and here it summarizes it into key points. So this is really useful if you're doing research and need something to help speed up the research process, and generally it makes workflows a lot smoother. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.